My head's starting to get stuck back. We're on the gravity ride right now. Sarah subscribe. We do this for you. She has her eyes closed because she's scared.
This feels so weird.
They're really sticking to the wall. Oh, my face is pulling back. My face. My face. I don't know how I'm keeping my arm up.
I can't move my head.
I can't. I'm sweaty.
Whoa. My feet found the ground.
My feet are up in the air. As you can see, I'm not touching the ground. I don't know if you can hear me or not.
It's gonna hurt so bad after
I
this.
know, right? My face hurts.
It feels like my lungs are on my face.
Ew. I feel like I'm gonna have a seizure. My cheeks are being pulled back. Whoa. Going down. I'm not touching the ground. Can you stick your feet in the air? That's great. Yeah, I am now. I'm sticking to the wall. There's my feet. There's the ground. I just feel he's stuck sideways.